Hello and welcome to another training. This is a continuation of my Linux training series. If you have not watched my other videos, you can go back and watch. I'll leave this course outline in the description of this video so you can follow along. Okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to SSH or how to log in or how to connect to your server for the first time. In our last video, we purchased a VPS server from Contabo. They have sent us the details to log in. Now, Contabo is going to send you your login information just like this. In that email, you should see your IP address, your user, which is root. So root is going to be your default user, and password. Now, this is the password you set, okay, when you were ordering your server. Okay, so let's log into our server for the very first time. I will open what we call terminal. I'm using Linux. Because of that, I have a built-in terminal from Ubuntu. Okay, in your case, if you don't have this, then you have to install a software called PuTTY. Okay, so PuTTY for Windows or Mac. Windows or Mac. Hit enter. Now this is the software. Just click on it. Click on download. Right. Download the software and then you'll be able to launch it. Okay. Just download PuTTY, run it, and you'll be able to enter. There's a field for you to enter your IP address, your port, and connect. Okay, you can watch videos on this. Because I don't use Windows, I don't know how I'll show you this, so just watch videos on how to run PuTTY. Okay, now if you also have PowerShell on Windows, all right, Windows, we have something we call PowerShell. With Windows 11 you can run, it's a terminal. All right, so after you launch your PowerShell, which is the same as terminal, if you're also using Mac has a built-in terminal. Use that. So now this is your command line, and we're going to SSH. We're going to connect to our server. So the way we connect to the server is we put SSH root, which is our username, at the IP address. So we just copy our IP address Contabo assigned to us, assigned to our server. Just paste it here. Hit enter. You have to assign fingerprint. So just say yes to accept. Hit enter. And there's a warning. This fingerprint will be permanently added to your known host. That way, when you are connecting for the next time, your device, your PC would trust, or your server would trust your PC. Okay, so there's going to be a trust between your computer and your server. So that's fingerprint. So this fingerprint will be stored in a location, and that file is called known host. All right, I'll show you all these things throughout this course. All right, so now let's enter our password. So the password you entered during when you were ordering your server, enter that password here. Okay, so now yes, take notice of this. When I enter my password, you're not going to see anything. This is a security feature from Linux. All right, so we're going to enter our password, but you are not going to see anything. But in actual fact, the password is there. For the first time, we've logged in to our server. can see Contable. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. In my next video, I'll show you how to update your server for the first time. All right, so when you log in, you have to update your server. Thank you.